So here we go on Gumtree. As you can see, here's his, we go to manage ads. So as you can see here, it's large furnished room in North Melbourne. What we can do is we click that. More. So make sure that you have a copy on this. That way you know what to that way you have a the wording. But because I already have the wording, so I'll just delete them. So I'll go back. I'm sorry. I'll go to manage ads and I'll delete. So just unclick that, prefer not to say, so delete ad. Then we go to post ad, post an ad. I think I already get a copy, so what I'll do is I'll just copy paste, put in here. So flat share, it's already in that category, flat share, house share, and then just go. We already have here. So the price is $280, and dwelling type is a house share, available from today. So it's got 8 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. So as you can see, there's like optional, you don't have to worry about that. And then just copy paste the wording, or if you have a copy ready, so that's the wording. And then you put the picture, got the picture here. Okay, so that's it. So you got all the photos already, and here is, so show phone number on my ad, that's the number, and here's the location, and then you already have the selected, and then just post ad. So I think that's it. I will just put this no thanks, just to make sure that we have the ad is on. So thank you. So let's say, and let's go back, manage ads, to make sure that it's really posted. So as you can see on the right side, we're on page 1. So we just have to keep doing this maybe 3 times a day or 2 times a day, or while you're doing all the ads to like reposting the ads. So include King Street. This way we're always on the top page in page 1. So pretty much that's it.